Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Arduino based underwater wireless data transfer using IR sensors. And here we are using PS2 keypad, Arduino Uno R3, and IR transmitter, 38 kHz frequency IR transmitter, and one 16 cross 2 LCD display transmitter part, and as well as receiver part. We are using TSOP 38 kHz frequency receiver module, and LCD display RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and power supply. And let us coming into the hardware part, and this is transmitter part and this is receiver part. In the transmitter part, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED, Arduino Uno R3 board, 16 cross 2 LCD display, IR transmitter module, and PS2 keypad. And here is the water. Okay, and here TSOP 1738 kHz frequency receiver module, and 16 cross 2 LCD display, Arduino Uno R3 board, and power supply module. Now I am going to start the power supply, and PS2 keypad with Arduino keypad, underwater wireless communication using LCD display. Okay, data receiving purpose, underwater wireless data transmitting, receiving data. So this is transmitting module and this is receiving module. Now, so those LCDs are empty. Now I'm going to send the data 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. If you want to clear the both LCD screens, do escape button. Yeah, for data is escaped. Okay, now I am going to A S D F G J K L. Okay, data came and data here also came. If you want to clear the LCD, both LCDs are clear. So my mobile number is 94. Okay, caps lock on. Okay, this will not work. Okay, 949153 9491535690. Yeah, my mobile number 9491535690. Okay, and space SVS. Okay, escape. Okay, SVS. So escape. So here transmitting the data and as well as receiving the data through IR data transmitter module, IR module with the transistor and 1K resistor and 330 ohm resistor. Here TSOP 1738 with 10 microfarad filter capacitor to eliminate the ripples, and here is the water communication. Okay, so IR transmitter module and IR receiver module. So restart and restart. PS2 keypad with water communication, underwater wireless data transmitter. Okay, now I'm going to enter 784235845 okay, so escape. If you type something, escape. So whenever you are typing the data, after 16th character directly it comes to the C0 position. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.